creator on YouTube? If you are, then this is for you. This is TubeBuddy, and it literally is what it says. It is your YouTube buddy. It gives you tips on your content, suggested tags, health reports, upload times, and much more. You can get the TubeBuddy Pro license for just $4.50 a month. If you're looking to make your channel grow, help it grow, and get big on YouTube, that way it can be your full-time job, I suggest going and looking at TubeBuddy. You can check it out by using the sponsor link down below. Hello and what is up, everyone? Lucid here, coming to you with a little bit of a different video. So sorry about this mess over here. It's kind of hard whenever you have a laptop to really have good cable management. But as you see here, I have a thing put up that I will link in the video. But this right here is a Dark Flash Shadow Pro prototype CPU cooler. This was sent to me by Dark Flash to review, and yeah, I'm gonna review it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so you get an instruction manual. That is always nice to have. Then, oh, sorry about that. You get some foam, so that's also nice to have. And then you can get into the actual thing. Exciting. Alright, sorry about that. So, let me open this up real quick. I will mute my mic. My mic is unmuted now. That's all good. Okay, so the Dark Flash Shadow Pro CPU cooler. It has addressable RGB with motherboard sync, so that's pretty cool. It comes with a back plate, which is in here. Okay, it doesn't want to come out. There it is. Alright, so it comes with a back plate. This is actually for Intel CPUs or sockets. So this is already set up to be used on AMD sockets. And if you have an Intel, you put this black backplate on it to, you know, do that with. And it does come with some thermal paste. I don't know how good the thermal paste is, but it does come with thermal paste, so that's pretty cool. Looks like we have a pretty nice fan here. It feels like good quality. A lot of fins here for good heat dissipation. There's definitely a lot of surface area, but it's also low profile. It's pretty much as big as the Wraith cooler for Ryzen, which is pretty cool because as you know, with Ryzen you can't change the color of the red ring. So this is basically the same exact thing, except you can change the color of the ring, and there's even some RGB on the inside to light up around the fan. Now, you get your CPU fan header and RGB header. That way you can plug it up, sync it to your motherboard and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. Now, you are probably wondering some specs and stats about this thing. Like I said, it comes with the backplate instruction manual. It has about 30 CFM of airflow, which is not too bad, and 29.6 dBA at max. Now, the fan speed is controllable, so it does not run at 29.6 dBA all the time, which is good. So let's go to the screen that you saw over there. Let's just look at this. This is the Dark Flash Shadow. It's a little bit smaller, but still very, very nice. I've used these before. I've used a Dark Flash before. My Wi-Fi's out right now. So I almost caught my house on fire trying to do this video. I have a big light, like recording light, and whenever I plugged it in, it malfunctioned, and it like had smoke going everywhere, and like my lights went off and stuff. So like some pretty crazy stuff happened, and I don't know why I'm saying like so much. I'm sorry about that, but some pretty crazy stuff happened. It was definitely worrisome. So, but I'm okay. Didn't catch the house on fire, but I do not have Wi-Fi right now, so I can't load any other pictures. But as you can see, this stayed pretty much the same design from this to this. It's pretty much the same. You can even see it right back there. It's pretty much the same design. Yeah. So, not bad. Now, as you see, this one's $25.95, the Shadow, on Amazon, which isn't a bad price for a CPU cooler. I mean, it is a good CPU cooler. Adjustable speed from 800 RPM to 200 or 200, 2500 RPM. So it's pretty good. It is super quiet and has like intelligent speed controlling function, which keeps a perfect balance between airflow and noise. So that is pretty cool to know. But overall, this new one, this prototype, that is not released on market yet. It is still a prototype, which means this one may not work all that great. But whenever it gets released, it'll probably be around the $30 range, which is not bad. I do plan to put this in some type of build to see how it performs. But for now, I just wanted to review it, see how it felt, you know, feel how good it's been made. Which, I mean, it's pretty heavy for a small CPU cooler. It is low profile, though. Here's a regular wallet for size. So it's not even as big as a regular wallet. So that's pretty cool. If that's not good enough for comparison, dropping stuff. Here's an Xbox One controller. So it's a little bit shorter than an Xbox One controller. So not bad. But if you want to pick up a Shadow, a Dark Flash Shadow, or any other of their products for CPU cooling, I will link them in the description down below. Make sure to go check that out. And whenever this comes out, I will link that in the same description. But all of their products are very good. Dark Flash isn't a very big company, but they are definitely known, or not known, but they are definitely good products. Dark Flash products are good, especially for like budget builds. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like and subscribe. Go check out the links down below. Check out TubeBuddy. This video is sponsored by TubeBuddy. And make sure to, you know, leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe if you haven't already. Till next time. Bye, everyone.